Let's talk about shades and tints for brand colors. If everything is set up correctly, you should find this section under the Breakdance menu and the Lazy Dancer's Toolkit, where you can set the primary color name. This acts as a base for the shades and tints in CSS variables. You can also set a brand color here, which will sync with the brand color in the global settings of Breakdance. So if I choose a different color here, for example this blue color, and next, set the number of shades, where the maximum is 10 and the minimum is 1. I will leave it as it is and go ahead to save the settings. You'll see that the colors change immediately, and if you click on a color here, you will copy the CSS variable to your clipboard, which you can use later for some elements. Let's try that. Let's go to the Breakdance Builder, where I have prepared a few elements beforehand. For example, in this section, if you look at the background, you'll see that I have applied the CSS variable, which is primary color light, representing tints, and the number indicates a level, from 1 to 10, where number 1 is very close to the brand color and number 10 is essentially white. Currently, I have number 9, which is very close to white, and will leave it as such. In this manner, you can specify different shades and tints for various elements to match your brand color. Now, if I decide to change the brand color to something else, I just need to go to the global settings and pick a new color. Let's choose this pink color and see. You'll notice that nothing happens because you need to refresh the page first. And now, you'll see that the colors have changed. And if we go back to our dashboard to the Lazy Dancer's Toolkit, you'll see that the colors have changed here as well. So, as I mentioned, it will be synced whether you change it here or there in the global settings. This way, you can speed up your workflow and have various colors based on one brand color. Let me show you one more example. I have prepared this section with a slider and content. Let's apply color to this tagline. Let's say I want something dark, but close to the brand color. On a scale from 1 to 10, let's go with 5. That looks fine to me. This way, you can style your website with generated CSS variables. If I save this and go to the front end, you can see that it applies very nicely. And let's change the brand color one more time. When you finish building your website, and for some reason decide to change your brand color, you just need to go to the global settings or here, in the dashboard, and change the color to something new, let's say, to this green color. Let's hit save and go back to the front end. Refresh the page, and you can see that all elements with CSS variables related to brand colors have changed based on the change of the brand color. Very nice, right?